All right, so today let's talk about kill fees and how you can use them to structure a better deal for your agency. So, a kill fee is a provision in your contract that says that the client has to pay you a specific sum of money if they bail on a project early. And you've seen the reasons clients bail. They had a change in direction, or they put it on the back burner, or they lost funding. Whatever the reason is, in fixed fee or retainer type contracts where you have obligated your agency and your staff for a particular period of time, if the client bails early, you're going to have a big hole in your schedule. You'll have an idle team, you'll have your overhead that's still running, and no compensation for that sudden gap in your schedule. And that's what the kill fee is designed to compensate you for. It's important to note that a kill fee is only for when the client bails for its convenience. If they terminate you for a cause, you're terribly late, your work product sucks, you're not going to be able to charge a kill fee. A kill fee is for those situations where the client bails early for its convenience. So for something like a 12-month retainer, we recommend structuring a kill fee as 2 or 3 months of service fees that would be charged under the retainer. So if a client bails in month 4 of a 12-month retainer, they'd be charged an extra 2 months of service fees. On fixed fee projects, we like to structure that as a percentage, say 25% of the canceled portion of the contract. So for example, if you had a $100,000 project, you'd done $60,000 worth of work and the client had paid you $60,000 worth of work, and there's a $40,000 chunk left when the client bails early without cause, the kill fee would be 25% of the killed portion, 25% of 40,000, so a $10,000 kill fee. And that's the amount that you collect to compensate you for the idle team and the overhead and the gap in your schedule. So here's an unfortunate reality about kill fees, though, is that larger clients, sophisticated clients, clients that have lawyers, they will almost always strike these out of your contract. So maybe you're saying, well, what's the point? And there absolutely still is a point. And the reason is that including that in your draft and having the client strike that out opens the door to a bigger conversation about things that you need to compensate you for the extra flexibility that you're granting the client in being able to terminate for convenience. So for example, maybe you would ask for a longer notice period before the client can terminate. Maybe instead of 15 days, you want 60 days. Maybe you would ask to invoice more frequently. So maybe instead of once a month, you invoice weekly. Maybe instead of net 60 terms, you get net 15 terms. Maybe you get a larger deposit. All of these things can be done in response to a client striking out a kill fee. And your explanation is, look, I need to be protected in the event that this project goes away. There's a number of ways that we can do it. And increasing the deposit or the frequency of payments or one of these other methods are ways that you can further protect yourselves if you don't have a kill fee in your contract. So that's it about kill fees for now. They're a great tool for protecting your agency, of collecting additional funds if a client bails early, but they also can be a valuable negotiation tool in making sure you get other terms that are important for your agency to protect it against early termination by a client. If you want information about kill fees or other agency services agreement, hit up our website or our online service agreement field manual.